Hi, I'm Lisa with Earthquaker Devices, and today we're going to talk about our new pedals at NAMM 2016. I'm playing a Framus Idol Maker guitar today, courtesy of Framus. Wonderful instrument. The first pedal I'd like to talk about today is the Gray Channel Dual Overdrive. The fantastic dual channel overdrive, 3 diode switches for each position, separate levels, separate gains. It's our red channel. To hear all the diode switches. It's a wonderful pedal. Next up we have our Spires Dual Fuzz. It contains what used to be our Dream Crusher, and it also contains what is called the New Fuzz. Similar to the Gray Channel and the dual switching, there's a really wonderful filter on this that's different from any other pedal that we've had, and a really nasty fuzz all throughout. Here's our Green Channel first. Give you a moment to hear the filter of the red channel. That's the New Fuzz channel, the red channel, Spires Dual Fuzz. Next up we have the Bellows, which is just an awesome hot overdrive. I love it in conjunction with our bows, which is a little bit quieter. Sorry. Next up is our bows, which is a boost notch filter. Amazing pedal. Here's our original signal. There's a high notch. There's the low notch. So it's wonderful to hit an amp or another pedal with. Next up is our Spatial Delivery, which is a really awesome envelope generator, as much as it is a sample and hold filter. So you have your range of the filter mount itself, and the resonant frequency of the filter. It's very, very responsive. Turn the waveform around. Of course, the wonderful sample and hold filter. Next up is our Night Wire, which is a harmonic vibrato pedal. It also has a wonderful feature of the attack. It'll modulate the speed with the envelope. If you start off slow or light, if you start off light, it'll go slow. Or if you attack it quickly. Lots of different ranges of the frequency. So it can almost become a vibe pedal. Beautiful, beautiful stuff by Jamie. Next up is our Acapulco Gold, which just blows an amp up. Next up is our amazing Avalanche Run. This is our prototype. It's a wonderful pedal by Jamie. It's both a delay as well as a reverb. What's wonderful about these that's different is after 1 o'clock, the mix becomes a pre-delay of the signal as opposed to a full wet. Some nice bowing effects, as well as with the echo. In reverse mode, the switch can become momentary for forward motion. So in reverse mode, the momentary switch can put the delay forward. One more time with this non-mounted pedal. Mode, momentary switch becomes self-oscillation. Swell settings, very beautiful in what it does. Before it hits the delay. The momentary switch can also be a tap tempo. There will also be a plug-in for an expression pedal for any of these situations here. The ratio or the expression can be used. Jamie has outdone himself. Absolutely, this time.
When are the others available?
Pardon me?
When are the others available?
I believe the other ones are going to be available in the spring, and this is in July. Thank you.
Award-winning customer service. Fast, free shipping on most orders. Own the gear of your dreams today.